Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be taking a look at how to install VirtualBox on your Ubuntu installation. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is just you need to add this repository link of VirtualBox in your Ubuntu sources file. So what you need to do is open up sources file in nano to edit it. So etc apt and sources.list, and go to the bottom of that file, and over here paste this from virtualbox.org website. I will place the link down in the description. Just copy this line and paste it in your sources list, and where it says my disk, replace it with focal and save the file. After that you need to add the repository public gpg link, so gpg key. So what you need to do is just copy this line and paste it in terminal and hit enter, and now it will automatically download the public key and install that public key into apt package manager. And after that just run sudo apt update, and it will go ahead and download all the latest packages from repositories. And now we can just go ahead and simply install VirtualBox. So just do sudo apt install VirtualBox. VirtualBox 6.1 and hit enter. And now it is going to ask you that these following packages are going to be installed in addition with VirtualBox. So just hit Y and hit enter, and now it is going to download all the necessary dependencies that are required for VirtualBox and install those dependencies alongside with VirtualBox, so we can use that after the installation process is done. So I'm going to pause the video and I will be back once the installation process has completed. So the VirtualBox has finished installing, so let's go to show all the applications and just search for VirtualBox over here. Just open it up, and now you can use VirtualBox and start creating new virtual machines and whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and this is it for this video. If you have any questions, do comment down below and subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.